You enter your hotel room. You close the door. You sit down. You are tired. You turn on the air conditioner. Nothing happens. You wait. Still nothing. The room feels hot. You try again. No cold air. Now you feel uncomfortable. You need to fix this, but you are not sure what to say. Today, we're going to practice this situation, step by step. Hello, and welcome to Royo English. I'm Ryan. This is Easy English Shadowing. Hotel problems happen sometimes. The air conditioner may not work. The room may be noisy, or something may be broken. In these moments, you need to explain the problem clearly. You don't need difficult English. You need simple, direct sentences. Today, you'll hear a short story about a hotel room problem. First, just listen. Then we'll break the situation into practical sentences. You'll practice them step by step. And finally, you'll hear the full story again at natural speed. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say when something is not working. Let's begin. First, just listen. After checking into my hotel, I went to my room. I closed the door and turned on the air conditioner. Nothing happened. I waited for a few minutes. The room was still hot. I tried again, but there was no cold air. I felt uncomfortable. So I picked up the phone and called the front desk. "Hello," I said. "There is a problem in my room." The receptionist asked, "What is the problem?" "The air conditioner is not working," I said. "The room is very hot." She apologized. "I'm sorry about that," she said. "Can someone check it?" I asked. She said yes. "Someone will come in a few minutes." I waited in my room. After a short time, someone knocked on the door. He checked the air conditioner, but it still didn't work. I took a deep breath. "Can I change the room?" I asked. "Yes," she said. "We will give you another room." A few minutes later, I moved to a new room. The air conditioner was working. The room was cool and comfortable. Now, let's practice the key sentences. Listen first. Then speak with me. There is a problem in my room. There is a problem in my room. The air conditioner is not working. The air conditioner is not working. The room is very hot. The room is very hot. Can someone check it? Can someone check it? It's still not working. It's still not working. Can I change the room? Can I change the room? Now, let's listen to the full story again at natural speed. After checking in to my hotel, I went to my room and turned on the air conditioner. Nothing happened, and the room started to feel very hot. I tried again, but there was still no cold air. I called the front desk and said there was a problem in my room. I explained that the air conditioner was not working and that the room was very hot. They said someone would come to check it. A staff member came and tried to fix it, but it still didn't work. So I asked if I could change the room. They agreed and gave me another room. The new room was cool and comfortable. Everything was fine again. Before we finish, here are 2 practical tips. Number 1. Describe the problem clearly. For example, the air conditioner is not working. The room is very hot. Number 2. Ask for a solution. For example, can someone check it? Can I change the room? Clear problems and clear requests get fast results. Next time you have a problem in a hotel, stay calm. Explain the problem clearly. Ask for help. You don't need perfect English. You need clear English. Your turn. What would you say if something is not working in your room? Write one full sentence in English in the comments. For example, the air conditioner is not working. In the next episode, we'll practice what to say when ordering food at a restaurant. Simple sentences. Real-life situations. Step by step. See you in the next Easy English Shadowing episode. Goodbye.